Hey guys, in this episode, we're going to turn this into that. On with the video. Hey guys, welcome back to Jack on Tracks, and here we go. We're going to start assembling the two outer modules for the Long Island Fremo build. And yeah, let's just get down to it. We're going to put in the stringers and these two end pieces. I got a little finagling to do here because my table is not perfectly flat, and to top it all off, these boards have a slight bow in them. So I'll show you what I'm going to do, but it's nothing crazy, and then we can figure it out. So here we go. All right, guys, so this is the bottom of the module. I dropped the sheet in, and we're gonna go from there. These two end pieces are cut to go in here. All right, so since I told you, my table's not 100% flat because it's not really a table, it's just a board on top of my table saw. So what I want to do is we're going to do one side at a time. I'm going to clamp down this edge to this edge of the table, and I'm going to take these two blocks, use them as cleats. I got the module locked down. Then we'll pull down these. These two cleats. See how much that moved? All right, so that's got that down, and we're going to glue. We're going to use the Type Bond 2, nice bead of lat along this board, and then I'm going to take my nailer. There's a stapler, and I'm going to staple these into the faceplate. So that should solve any issues that I'm gonna have. All right, guys, let's get to it. Feels good. Do the same over on this side. As you can see, there's a bit of a bow in the board too. So that's the next fun thing we're gonna do here. Is one. Gotta do a little measuring. We're gonna lay these out in here equally, and go from there. So just give me a couple of minutes and we'll be right back. All right, guys, welcome back. What I had to do was I had to pull the plans up again, take a look at them. I just want to make sure that I didn't move these to stay out of the way of any type of mechanism for to throw the switches. But it's they're fine. So I just got to measure these out. All right, guys, so These are going to sit in here like this. These are actually pulled out a little bit, so we'll crank those in. Go from there. Sweet Jesus, they're perfect. Look at that. Look at that. Amazing. All right, so let's get this. We'll get this crank set up. We'll go from there. All right, so since this is slightly bowed out, I got this clamp here. It's going to pull it in. I'm going to leave it just a little loose right now, just till I get these in, pretty much lined up where I want them, because I want to get glue on these. So we're going to glue these up, and we're going to put them in. I'm going to use the old Type Bond 2. I don't know why that bottom kicked out, but it did. Oh, I'm going to straighten it. All right, that fixed that. Well. So, what we got here is basically one top piece done, kinda. All right. So we just clean up a second, and we'll flip it over and take a look. All right. So here we got it upside down, right side up, and you can see it's bowed in the middle. That's why I did all the clamping down. It all clamped down. It's sitting perfect on this side. Pretty good all the way around. Nothing that a little scenery is not going to take care of. So now that we got it upside down, right side up, now we're going to put the deck on. And we're going to use the staple gun again, and we're going to glue it. So, gotta get my trusty tape measure wherever I just put that again. There it is. I know, I keep pulling tools out from everywhere, right? Basically add a Type Bond 2, Type Bond 1. It's basically, that's water resistant, this really isn't. Strength-wise, for what I'm using this for, it's good enough. That's a little weird. That's no bueno. No bueno. Yeah, guys, I don't know what happened. Guess we didn't let the glue set up enough and I put a little too much pressure on it. Well, I got it back in. And it's pretty much right where it needs to be. This side's perfect. This side's good in the middle. A little dip right here, not a problem. That'll be made up by scenery. These edges are a little proud. Not a problem. They'll all get made up when the scenery's done on this. But because I'm going to do the scenery right to the edge. So it's not really that big of a to-do. Plus, depending on which end I decide this is going to be on, this section, this piece over here might be getting cut down a little bit. Very little bit. Maybe not. So, yeah, let me just put this in. Which held down. Basically, this is just holding them in place till the glue sets up. That's one module. All right, guys. So you really want to watch me build the second one and the third one? I don't think so. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this into hyper mode and we're going to fly through it. All right? So be right back. All right, guys, so you saw in the time lapse how we got this done. It's pretty easy to do when I'm not trying to show you guys. But I mean, this is pretty solid. These are pretty freaking solid anyway. Yeah, that's pretty much we'll call this video. We'll call it that. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned. The next video is going to be the legs. I'm going to try to figure it out. I wanted to do folding legs. I kind of got away from doing folding legs because I couldn't really figure it out. I can't figure it out in my head. I need to actually see it. So now that I got these things laid out and done out, I can take a look at them, see what they look like, and see how I'm going to fold all my stuff in. And if I can get them to fold in, I'm going to do folding legs. Yeah. I'm going to do a set on each of these modules, and then the center module will have no legs, and that'll just sit because it'll lock into these, and that's that. So yeah, guys, once again, thanks for watching. I'm going to have in the description below, I'm going to have a link to the Fremo standards. You can look at it. If you guys see anything I did wrong, it's not to the standards, let me know. Because I might have missed something, but I don't think I did. I'm still contemplating coming back in here and putting cleats along these edges. Probably going to just use 1/2 inch because I got a bunch of 1/2 inch over there. Put cleats along these edges to firm up these sides, but I don't think that's really going to be necessary. I'm just going to do it just to make it a little sturdier. Yeah. As always, guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. And hit that subscribe button. And there's a video over here. Check it out if you missed it. And as always, guys, I'll catch you later.